Let's roll in. Last trail of the day, yeah. Sick. Yeah. Wow, this is that while we're cruising down here. This is that rooty section again. Whoa. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Oh man, sick! Yeah! It sounds like there's like a funeral parade going on, and it's for me down there. Oh my god, that was rad. Woo! So check us out. This is like our route back to the car. We are like stopping off somewhere. This is like more of a food expedition than a riding expedition. Okay, all right, so we're gonna try some Indian food now. So let's do this. Let's get some hot curry in our belly. Let's get some fire in my mouth, and let's get all Indian like. So we are here now at an Indian joint just below one of the sickest trails that I've ridden so far here in Malaysia. It was called Flintstones, and rightly so, because there are lots of rocks there that can wreck your rims, wreck your life, wreck your body, wreck your mind, wreck your soul. And it ends off on the super steep, gnarly, rooty section where it's like just so much roots. I don't know how I made it through that. I really don't. We're gonna try some food. Let's get to it. Let's roll out some B-roll. Sights, the sounds, the food of Malaysia. Look what we have here. This looks so good. This is like a whole Indian dish here. Malaysian Indian dish. Rice, papadum bread, Malaysian pickles. I don't know what it is, but it's just like all selection, and chicken, lemon iced tea. One of the riders that was riding with us this morning, he dropped his Garmin looking for this watch while I talk to you all. Anyway, let me try and describe to you exactly how that meal went down. That has probably been the most tastiest meal here yet, man. There was like so many different flavors in my mouth, and it's like every time you take a bite, it's this explosion of flavor. The curries were fantastic. All those sides of vegetables were really, really tasty. There was like this pickled cabbage that was fantastic. Nelson had 2 portions of food, and I can't believe he pedaled back up here like a pro with the full belly of food. So far, this trip has been the best one to date. I mean, the trails are fantastic, the food is fantastic, the people are fantastic. The overall experience is something out of this world. If you are a mountain biker, you gotta get out here to Malaysia, man. This place has got it all. Oh my god, he found it. Check us out. Woo. He found the watch. That is so cool, bro. Where did you find it?
On the corner there.
I am here in Uptown to try and find a toothbrush so that I can brush my teeth, and then I can shower and get ready to come back here later on to do my laundry. Some of this. This one here. Okay, very, very open plan going here. Cold water tap, pressure sucks, and a toilet with
I don't know what that is. I think that is someone's hair. So check this out. There's only shampoo there. I used the hand wash to wash my body.
Alright, just grabbed the Grab because Uber doesn't work yet, so I got a Grab cab. Gonna head on into town. I got a bunch of washing to do, so I need to get to a laundromat. Hey, how's it, man? Are you in the Grab? Sweet. My name is Wayne. How you doing, man? Cool.
I'm at the Hajai coffee shop here in Uptown. I don't know what this area is, but it's Uptown somewhere. That's what I've missed. I have missed real coffee. This is actually like a cortado. It's super strong. It's the first cup of real coffee here in Malaysia. Like everything else I've been drinking has been kind of like that sweetened condensed milk kind of coffee. Whew, it's like puts hair on your chest, man. So tomorrow our journey continues and we head up north to Penang, which is apparently the local food destination to go to in Malaysia. So I'm really stoked to be heading out to Penang tomorrow morning. Remember to head off to my Patreon account. There you'll get extra content, bonus videos, longer videos. You'll get to see more of what happens here in Malaysia while I'm out here. Behind the scenes stuff, so much more for you guys there on Patreon. So head on over there, subscribe. You'll be really helping the channel. You'll be helping me out. Anyway, cheers guys. Thanks for hooking up with me on this episode. You know the drill. Punch that like button if you like the video. Subscribe if you like my channel. Thanks for hooking up with me today. I will catch you on the next episode.